You don't feel good after you poop?
I've taken her poop.
Potty. Oh my God.
You cut it out. You just deal with it now. Because there's no more diapers, ain't no more nothing. Why didn't you just let it all go at once?
I'm dying.
Your turn.
No. Doesn't she look absolutely adorable today? I mean, look at that girl. She is a superstar. We're gonna go on an adventure today, but we're not sure of what kind yet. But we know it's gonna be an adventure, right?
That's Monday.
Yeah, I think we might be too late for Little Gym. I'm trying to see what time it starts. I don't really remember. We just got done at the Little Gym. We made it to the 10:30 class. And now, I think... What are we gonna do? Did you have fun? You did. That was fun. We are stopping for a pretzel break. Yum, yum. Is it good? No, crap. I almost dropped the camera. Whoa! So, mini mukbang pretzels. Oh, girl, hungry. We went to Payless and we got, she would not leave without these light up shoes. They're half a size too big, but, and then we got some, gone are the days where I get to pick out what I like. It was totally, she had to have what she wanted, and if she didn't like them, we weren't getting them. Craving some avocado toast so bad. I think we're gonna have to go to Fresh Time. She got pretzels. That's right.
Big pretzel.
Oh yeah, I grabbed the big one and she had to take it back because she didn't want me having the big one. Yeah. I was passing by American Eagle and I saw an Elvis shirt in the window and the girl's like, "What brings you in?" Because I guess I don't look like I shop there. Because I don't. And I was like, "The Elvis shirt in the window." She's like, "What? The what?" And I'm like, "The Elvis shirt in the window." And she's like, "I don't know anything about that. Let me see." And then she comes back and she's like, "That's the only one we have and it's an extra small. Do you want that?" I mean, look at me. Do I want an extra small? No. Hell no, I don't want no extra small. So then she's like, "Well, we can order it for you." And I'm like, "Well, like, how much is this shirt? Because I ain't about to pay no $75 for, you know, I love me some Elvis, but I ain't gonna pay $75 for a t-shirt." So anyway, I keep asking, nobody's telling. So finally, I look at the price tag, it was like 25 bucks. So, I mean, that's worth it. It was a cute Elvis shirt. So anyway, they ordered it for me and having it shipped to my house. So that was pretty cool. Get my Elvis shirt. It's so cool. It's got like, Elvis has like glasses on, his big glasses, and it's got like American flag print in the glasses. So can't wait till y'all see that. You know I'm gonna get me some Elvis shirts. You know it. Ooh, if they had a Jerry Lee, that would have been really cool. They had a Bruce Springsteen, but you know I like the Elvis. We are in Fresh Time. They got Pink Ladies on sale, and this family loves us some apples. So we got some apples. I got my bread sliced over here. Got my Cados stocked up on some hummus. And cherries on sale. Hey, do not take the bottom apple. Here. You want an apple in your bag?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
This.
No, don't take the bottom one. Here, take this pretty one right here. How about that? Got it? Put it in your bag. Hold on. There you go. You want this pretty one too? Okay. Oh, here you go. Mommy's cat-like reflexes. I haven't had this fresh ground honey roasted peanut butter. Let me tell you, it's bomb.com. There you go. It's so good. So excited. Michael brought home homemade tamales. I'd like to say that they're vegan, but what happened if you go there? Do you have any vegan tamales?
Out of my store. Get out of my store, gringo.
Ready to mukbang these. Mukbang, whatever you want to call it. Uncle's looking at me like I'm a weirdo.
What's a mukbang?
It's like when you get a bunch of food and you eat it on camera and describe like how it tastes.
Oh, that was... Of course, my mind took me to a dirty spot.
Imagine that. First mukbang bite. That's good. Spicy.
Is it spicy?
Yeah. You know, the only tamales I have had tamales at like a Mexican restaurant before, but I don't think those are like.
Oh, you had tamales at Eat Right. Out of the can.
Yeah, I sure say the only tamales I have is in canned ones like at Aldi. And I used to make my mama get them every time. I loved those things. That's probably why I was a fat kid. Because I love them canned tamales. They got that nice, greasy, yellow, orange stuff on top. Oh, man. You heat them up. You just like undo the can, plop them in the thing. Get that. Heat them up, get that stuff off the top.
The gel off the top.
Good stuff, man. Them canned tamales.
Good.
Mukbang, mukbang. I haven't eaten chicken like I don't know how long. Pretty spicy. I wish they could just do like the thing with no filling. That would be good.
It's a corn tortilla then.
No, it's not. It's like, it's good. I could just do without the meat. Like maybe just the stuff and sauce. Or veggies. Why can't they just fill them with veggies? Like peppers and onions. That would be.
I should have got the jalapeno ones.
That would be so good. They're just filled with jalapenos?
He said you had chicken, pork, or jalapeno.
Oh man. This little girl just woke up from her nap, and what does she want to eat? Her cupcake that we bought from Fresh Time. Is it delicious?
Hmm?
She had a really long nap. She slept from the time we came home till like 6 o'clock. It's a big nap, huh, girlfriend? You're nice and refreshed, and we're gonna go see fireworks. They're loud and pretty. Yeah. We are ready to watch the fireworks. Fireworks! First fireworks of the summer. So excited. The moon's up in the sky. Alright, we're fixing a mukbang. Some potato chips. We got Kettle Brand Fiery Thai. These were from Fresh Time. And we got Boulder Canyon Barbecue, or Backyard Barbecue Grilled Brats. And we had the turkey ones. I think it was turkey and dressing. And I forget what. Alright, I opened the chips. This one is the barbecue backyard brat. Mike, you gonna try one? Cheers. Definitely a brat taste. Brat flavor. I like it. You like it?
Very good.
It tastes brat and like grilled onions. You get that?
I get the brat. And the real onions.
Alright. These are the Fiery Thai. Cheers. Definitely a little bit of heat. Kind of a peanutty, a bit of a peanutty taste. I like those too. I think they're pretty good. What about you? You like the brats better?
Who's calling? Oh yeah, I think I'm going with the brats more.
He's going with the brats more. I think I kind of like the Thai because they're kettle cooked. But then when you swallow, you feel the heat more. Mukbang them. Oh, what do you got there? Blue, that's your favorite. Blue is her favorite jelly bean. Daddy, you gonna show us you eating some of your ghost pepper?
Nope, we're gonna wait a little bit.
Why?
Hot. I have to eat about 10 of them.
I bought him ghost pepper almonds and sriracha peanuts from Fresh Time. That's it.
But the peanuts are okay.
I'm such an awesome wife.
No, I appreciate the cheese much better. But yeah, the cheese sauce. Peanuts are good, but
let me hear you say it on video.
You're an awesome wife.
With an eye roll.
No, you're an awesome wife.
I'm offended. Say, no, in fact, it's unnecessary. Unnecessary. They started. Woo! Boom! Boom! Pop! 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 1, 2, 3! Adorable, Scarlett. Kids make everything in life better, more fun. Right, Michael?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, fireworks. I can see them, but I don't know.
You want to sit on Mommy's lap?
Huh?
It's like trolls, glitter sparkles.
No, Fargo shows. No, Fargo shows.
Like puppies. Whoa. I love our child to death, but freaking every time we get anywhere, she has to go poop. The most inconvenient place. Michael is a good daddy for taking her to poop in the cornfield. And she's wearing a jumper, which means you have to pull down the whole entire thing for her to poop. Playing Neil Diamond. Coming to America today. Pooping in a cornfield is on your bucket list. Scarlett's getting ready to cross it off. Well, here they come. Hopefully everything came out all right. Did you have poop down?
I didn't bring our underwear with us. So hopefully we're not making a mess inside the jumper.
Did you poop?
Yeah. Fertilize.
One stalk of corn is gonna be really big. She feels good now. She food. Everybody feels good after a nice healthy dump.
Except Daddy.
You don't feel good after you poop?
I'm not taking her poop.
Patty.
Oh my God.
You cut it out. You just deal with it now. Because there's no more diapers, ain't no more nothing. Why didn't you just let it all go at once?
I'm dying.
Your turn.
No. Oh, now they're doing the big old up high ones. The starburst. Beautiful. Scarlett, are you watching? Really? Cass was here. She likes fireworks. What do Mommy and Scarlett do? We toot what?
We toot glitter.
We toot glitter. Crabby Abby. But guess what? Mama won't let her be. Mama won't let her be a Crabby Abby. We're like, no, no, no. I won't let her be a Crabby Abby. They closed it out with Rockin' in the USA. R-O-C-K in the USA.
Oh no.
Say R-O-C-K in the USA. Yeah.
It's gone.
Rockin' in the USA.
It's gone, Mommy.
It is gone. It's gone, Scarlett. And this will close out tonight's rendition of The Princess Life PS. Thank you for joining us. Remember, keep your crown straight and stay royal. Thought we were done back there, but guess where we are stopped at?
The fish nibblers.
We done back there.
What does Scarlett want to eat?
Nibblers.
What kind of nibblers?
Fish.
Yes, we are at White Castle. Whenever you stop at fast food later at night, something's always broken. Like either the ice cream machine is usually 100% always broken. If you stop
Which is a good thing because you're getting bacteria overrun.
If you stop past 8 o'clock, the ice cream machine is busted.
They just tell you that because they don't clean it fucking again.
Well, whatever it is, it's never working past 8 o'clock. The window, the thing where you put your order in, the speaker, what is it called? The speaker thingy.
The order grabber.
Where you tell them what you want, and they're like, can't hear you. That thing was broken, so we had to do our order at the window, and then you have to wait out here for your food. So that's just the way it is at like White Castle, Taco Bell, McDonald's. I think that's the only later places that I've been to. What about you?
I've been to them all. Jack in the Box.
Oh, Jack in the Box, yeah, that's a later one.
Yeah.
Get them drunk tacos.
Drunk tacos.
And
And then there was
Jack
Noggles.
in the Box.
Years ago, it used to be Noggles.
I never been there.
Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box.
Better known as Del Taco nowadays.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Del Taco. I think I only went there like once or
Jack
twice.
in the Box.
Because there was never any close by me.
That was the awesomest drunk food ever.
Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box. It's taking us so long. He's making fun of me for my veggie burgers.
And I made sure she said, I just want one.
Just want one.
You better order 4 because she has them tomorrow. You see them people working for $8 an hour going, that bitch just wants one fucking veggie burger. I gotta mess up this whole fucking grill for one veggie burger.
You're cussing a lot on camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just trying
Shame.
to see how they'd act. They had the second grill clean, and she wants damn veggie burger.
No, you can do it on the regular grill. I'm not that picky.
Yeah, they know that. That hippie bitch is gonna sue us.
They think it's you because you just placed the order.
Are you gonna start driving?
No. I feel like that the man should drive. I'm weird. I'm old school that way. Did your mom ever drive? What? Yeah, she did.
Do you know she likes control of everything?
With your dad in the car. When your dad rode with you.
Sometimes. Not that often. But
I don't know any older couples that the woman drives.
In dad's shoes. Would you like her to sit over?
You know she's gonna see this, right?
Yeah, no, she don't ever.
That's really sad. We can't even get our relatives to watch these.
Daddy can't even cut up a head of lettuce right without being told 5 times, too big, too small. What the hell's wrong with you?
Golly.
You're not washing that dish right.
Yes, that's what happens when you get retired and you live together all the time.
53 years of hell.
Well, look at it this way. You don't have to last that long.
Nope, that's for sure.
There's a bright side to everything.